I have a treat for you today. We're at the 2 bedroom at the Travis. We're going to do a 60-second walkthrough. I cannot believe these beautiful features. So let's walk through this. So this is your beautiful kitchen. So gorgeous, so lovely. Look at this color scheme. It's just gorgeous. I love the brown, and it's light brown and the white in these countertops, and the backsplash is kind of a honeycomb look. This is gorgeous. The island here is so fun. It's kind of a half transparent, open, and then half is drawers. You've got beautiful lighting that's here. Oh gosh, and then this room itself, it's just perfect for parties and guests, or just that special someone. And you could enjoy spectacular views. That is floor to ceiling windows that's over here. The bedrooms are separated, so you've got one bedroom over here and here. And then you've got a wonderful balcony over here as well. And there's so many designer touches in here. I want you to do two things. Reach out to us at uptown101houston.com/search. Come talk to us. We want to find out what your perfect apartment is. We'll give you more information about this one and other ones if you need to know about those as well. We'll give you special things that we've learned about the Travis when you talk to us. You can ask for me or someone on my team. I'm Grant. And reach out to us. It's 100% free service. We're happy to help you. And also, I want to tell you, watch the additional videos. We've done about 9 other videos for this beautiful residence, and this is a perfect way to see the Travis without needing to tour, and it'll get you all your questions answered. So reach out to us. Watch those videos on the playlist on YouTube on Uptown 101 Houston. Look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon.